Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi 67W HyperCharge Combo Type A. Maybe you need to buy this if you have bought a new Xiaomi smartphone because there's no power charging adapter there anymore. And let's have a look if you bought this original combo set here of Xiaomi, what's included. Okay, let me first remove the sticker here. So we will have here this 67W charging adapter, and we're having next to a cable. So even if you're having a cable already with your Xiaomi phone, you will have here another one. And important with this set is that it's Type A. Type A is the standard USB cable, the one you know from older versions. Why I'm telling you this? Because there are new versions out there with USB Type C here at this point. So this one would not match here. Thank you so much for watching here this quick unboxing video. I hope I could help you with that. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks later also for Xiaomi phones and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time.